Imagine a world where allergies, asthma, and chronic illness are rare, treatable conditions. Better yet, imagine a world where these conditions can be prevented before they develop. 3,500 Canadian children and their families are helping to make that world a reality by taking part in a groundbreaking birth cohort study called the Canadian Healthy Infant Longitudinal Development, or CHILD study. This is one of the largest studies in the world to look in-depth at how genes and the environment interact to cause allergies, asthma, and other chronic diseases. Launched in 2008 with funding from Allergen, the Allergy, Genes and Environment Network, and the Canadian Institutes of Health Research, the CHILD study has recruited pregnant mothers and their families, carefully studying them until the children are at least 5 years old. Researchers are looking at the effects of outdoor air pollution, dust, chemicals, and pets inside the home, as well as moms' and babies' diets, stress, and antibiotic use. This involves testing drops of the baby's blood and taking samples from dirty diapers. Environment Canada is partnering with the study to better understand the impact of traffic pollution on the development of allergies and asthma, and Health Canada is testing urine samples to measure levels of phthalates, a harmful chemical found in soft plastic. Research is still underway, and by 2017, the CHILD study will have collected more than 500,000 questionnaires and over 600,000 biological samples that will be available to scientists for decades. So, what has the CHILD study discovered so far? Research is showing that pregnancy, birth, and the first 100 days of a baby's life are critical to health and well-being. By just 3 to 4 months of age, almost all Canadian children have been exposed to at least one phthalate. Babies living in areas with higher exposure to air pollution have higher risk of developing allergies, as detected by skin testing at 1 year of age. Babies born by cesarean section have lower levels of important gut microbes compared to babies born by regular delivery. However, at 12 months, this difference is reduced if babies are breastfed. What's more, breastfed babies have been shown to have a reduced risk of childhood obesity. Now that the oldest children in the CHILD study are 5 and the youngest have celebrated their 2nd birthday, researchers are analyzing the data to find out what factors relate to health and disease outcomes. They are confident that their findings will influence public policy, parenting decisions, purchasing behaviors, and even urban planning, all designed to keep us healthier in a world where allergies and asthma become much less common. Of course, there is still much work to do. Today, 3 million Canadians suffer from asthma. 1 in 3 Canadians is directly affected by allergic disease, and 50% of all Canadian households are directly or indirectly affected by food allergies. These numbers are on the rise, and the CHILD study with its 3,500 families will help us find out why, for this generation and the ones to follow.